This is Siquijor.
This is Siquijor.
Mayong adlaw mga dong mga dayang, akong pangalan ay si Chino, and today is our second day here at Siquijor. We're here at Salagdoong Beach, but little did we know that they're actually renovating right now. They're literally transforming their beach. There's no bridge to go to that rock island and jump off the cliff spot, so we found a restaurant. I believe it's a restaurant to go to, so why don't we just eat real quick. So we're here with Zoe, Zar, Alex, Ate. I don't know if I'm sad that they kind of closed down this whole area, or I'm kind of happy that I don't have to jump that cliff, because that makes me nervous. I know I definitely want to do that one day, so that's another reason to visit Siquijor once more.
Have you ever jumped off that spot there? Oh
We
yeah.
jumped off the highest one.
Even though it's not that high compared to other jumps, I don't know why the water hit here like really
Oh,
hard.
really?
It's the
really,
waves.
I think as
Oh,
you
yeah.
hit a
It's
wave,
the wave is so strong.
That's
yeah,
rough.
it used to really hurt here.
Oh god. Would you jump off the cliff? That cliff jumping spot? The platform?
Yeah, the Salagdoong.
Yeah?
Yeah, I did it last time.
She's just saying that because it's closed now. Wait, you did
No,
it
I
last
did
time?
it last time.
Oh, did ya? That one right there? I'm talking about this massive one, you guys.
That's the tall one.
I don't know. I don't think you've jumped off that. I don't think you did.
I would though. I always jump off.
Alright, let's record this and show this to her when the time comes.
So it's about 1 p.m. right now, guys. We've just made it to Breeze Cafe. And this is where we're gonna have lunch. A little bit of late of a lunch, but it's all good. Let's head in.
They got aircon, yes.
So my food's finally come in, just mine. But Alex has given me the go because it's getting cold and it won't taste as good. But yeah, I ordered the garlic fried chicken and some sort of fries with
Right at their house fries.
Oh,
with
yeah.
cheese and stuff on
yeah with cheese and sauces and all that. So maybe I'll show you that later, unless I'm like deep into the food and I'll forget to record it. So yeah, let's eat. So nahuman na kaon sa among lunch. I think it's almost 2:30 p.m. So it's a bit late now, and we want to find a beach to go to finally just chill, hang out, and yeah. So I think Alex is sorting that out with Ate. But yeah, we're just gonna pay for the food and we'll head out. Alright, you guys. So nagbaklay na lang mi sa main road because we are trying to make our way to this beach called Talisay Beach. Mga walking distance lang daw from the cafe that we ate at.
Salamat.
I remember if I said Talisay or Talisong.
It's Talisay.
Wait, let me.
So there's a path right here. So we're hoping this is an easy path, but you never know. This feels really authentic, like off the beaten path. I'm hoping it's a good payoff at the end. Oh, look at that. This is our view, guys. It's nothing crazy. It's simple, but I love this. Wee bit rocky. Do you want to go first? It'll be here. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. There she is. After like how many minutes? 5 minutes. We're at Talisay Beach. Guys, the water looks so clear. Oh, I'm gonna get in for sure. This is the steps, so be careful. Okay. Wow. Babe. I think we found paradise.
This is beautiful.
Guys, check it out. Oh my goodness. Wow, you guys, this is exactly what we needed. Denise Siquijor. Just a chill ass beach to go to. Kalma na mga waves. And nobody else in sight. Now, I don't mind if there are tourists. It means it's good for the country, but sometimes you just want some quiet downtime. So yeah, we've got Alex here vlogging. We've got Zoe and Azar already in the ocean, of course. I want to hop in there too. But yeah, I just wanted to show you around like how beautiful this spot is. Obviously the camera won't do it justice, but grabe ka kagwapo din eh, guys. Like, look at that. Scenery, empty. How
This place
good.
is stunning.
It is beautiful. It's so picturesque.
and so peaceful.
Yeah, that's what makes it so much better. I'm just so relieved that we found such a beautiful beach. I mean, it's not really hidden. I've seen some blogs about Talisay Beach, but
Through the locals' houses.
yeah, but you have to walk through the bushes as you saw, past some local houses, and you just keep going, and you're there after a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah, no one else is here, and look at that. That backdrop, the tranquility of the ocean water, and how calm the waves are right now. With that golden hour light hitting the spot just right, goddamn. This has been like one of our really chill trips to Siquijor. We haven't really done much. We've been here for like 4 days, 3-4 days, and we've just been spending time with our friends. So Azar and Zoe, Jen and I are somewhere else right now, working on the vlog. But really, we've just been spending time together, hanging out. Everyone's been taking it slow, and it's good. You know, you don't always have to keep working, vlogging, editing. Like, you can also slow down and just enjoy these kind of times. Right now, what are you doing?
I think it's good for your skin, so we're gonna put it in yeah.
We're gonna trademark, copyright that business opportunity. We're gonna set up shop right there.
2 hours later.
Baby, how nice is this?
So nice.
Guys, look. Wait until I turn around. Oh, loady load. Oh, this looks crazy on this camera.
Oh, really?
Sheesh.
It is crazy. It's so good.
What's this place called?
Tubod Beach.
Tubod Beach.
Yeah. It's
Wow.
near Coco Grove Resort.
That's right,
I
guys.
think the beach is nice if we came earlier.
No, this is.
I mean, obviously
This
the
is-
sunset is nice,
yeah.
but we would have seen the white sand as well.
Yeah, no, but this sunset is going off, you guys.
Definitely recommend coming to Tubod Beach for sunset. And there's not a lot of people. Once again, that's a good common theme. There's some people further that way, but for the most part, you can enjoy a quiet sunset here. Well, the waves are loud, the wind is loud, but you know what I mean. It's a relaxing place to be. So anyway, guys, we're gonna head to dinner soon, so enjoy some cinematics in between. Let's go, cinematics. Alright guys, so it's now the next day. We had such a good time at Monkey Business Siquijor. The food was really good, a bit pricey for some reason here in
but the
Siquijor.
ambiance was really nice with
Yeah.
live music.
Yeah, we actually had a drink there, I think a few nights ago.
Yeah, for my birthday.
Yeah, oh there, that's right, and it was really fun. But before we get to it, I wanted to show you this little hut that we're staying at here, right in the middle of the jungle. And that's pun intended because this place is literally called Jungle Hut.
Tell us about this place. I'm just
So
kidding.
many greens around,
Actually, yeah, that's true.
secluded, and we have our own river.
Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, so we've got Jan and Anne doing photo shoot over there. Hey guys.
Go for a swim.
So the beauty of this place is that you're right by the river, but you're also secluded from the main town, the touristy spots, so literally no one else is here, super quiet. The only thing is that the walk down here because you're literally from, I think, like a hill or a mountain. You're walking all the way down to the river, so it is a little bit rough. It's pretty treacherous, you guys. So if you have a lot of luggage to bring, or maybe you can pay someone to help you out there. And we're just walking up the steps right here, and I'll let Alex open the door.
Come on in.
Right, you guys, so when you walk through the front doors, you have the kitchen right here. So sorry we got all our bags, we tried to make it as clean as possible. But yeah, this is the kitchen, so you can actually cook a little bit here. They have snacks that's ready for you if you don't want to go back up. Yeah, there's some canned goods as well. But yeah, this is your kitchen. Okay, little bench top to sit and eat. And we've got the first bed here, so it's a double bed. That right there is the bathroom, but we'll check that out later. It's cool that they've got a fridge, and normally this water is filled up, but yeah, it's empty right now because we're thirsty out here. But yeah, oh, this is the cool bit, which is up there. So we'll check that out. But I like that.
Vintage camera.
They've added like some personal touches.
Yeah,
Hey,
vintage
they've got
cameras.
books, these massive cards that we were gonna use but we didn't. Yeah, the camera. So why don't we check out the balcony first? So this is the balcony. Oh my goodness. Now you do have to be careful because there's no railings or whatever, as you can see. But that is awesome, you guys. So from the balcony, or really from the place that we're staying at, you just have unobstructed views of the river down below and just luscious greenery all around, and I love that. It's super calming out here. All you can hear is yeah, the river, the water crashing over that end. Yeah, so we went into the water there in the river already, and honestly it's so nice. Like, I highly recommend going in for a dip so you feel refreshed. And you're good to go.
So if you're actually gonna bring your barkada, a group of friends, or a family of 4, you can have a bonfire here as well. So they have it set up just in that corner over there. I think you can get the kuya to help you out. So they have a caretaker of the place, and he could probably help you out with the wood and starting a fire if you want to do the bonfire. I think that's really cool for get together and just like at night, at the end of the day, after all the touristy spot, just to wind down. And we didn't get to try it though.
Yeah, that would have been the perfect spot to have a beer. So yeah, anyway, let's go back in, and this time we go up.
Great.
And this up here is the second floor, so it's definitely a lot less floor space, but you don't need much, you guys. So this is the double bed. Alex and I slept up here, and it's pretty comfy for me. I slept really well both nights, so I'm so happy about that. Yeah, you can hang your clothes here, your towels. Got a fan. There's no, oh yeah, I forgot to mention there's no AC in this place. But I feel like the fan is mostly okay, yeah. I didn't feel hot unless you're under the covers, but yeah, pretty good. There's a Wi-Fi up there as well, as you can see. Oh, you can see?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's ultra wide. Oh, yeah, I forgot. But the best part, you guys, is this unobstructed view of the river. I know you get it down on the balcony, but here on our own floor, that is amazing. So yeah, you can just sit down, hang out, have some coffee. This is honestly one of my favorite stays. It's pretty unique with this kind of view. So hey guys, if you want to stay in this specific place, Jungle Hut, I've got the links in the description down below. And this one is actually the Jungle Hut river property, because there's another one where it's not all the way down to the river. But I do kind of recommend this place. It's just going down is super tough, especially if you have heavy luggage, but the payoff is it's actually quite nice. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to Alex's channel, to Jan and Anne's, to Zoe and Zar. Links in the description down below, as well as their Instagram. Yeah guys, don't forget to like this video. It really does help out tiny channels like mine, and I do hope to see you in the next video. Bye.